Njagala kuyitawo.
In terms of the infringement. As part of their submissions, counsel for the accused informed this court that they had filed constitutional petition in the very same matter, and they obliged the court and provided it with a copy. I've carefully considered the same. I note it was filed on the 24th of May. Ground 3A of the petition raises the very same issue advanced before this court. I'm of the considered view that Article 137 creates two avenues for taking a matter before the Constitutional Court, either through the petition or a reference. Whereas it is not illegal to pursue both, it is in my view only prudent that in order to avoid a multiplicity of cases and clogging of the judicial system, an aggrieved party should choose one of the options. In this case, a petition has already been filed, referring the same question, which is already before the Constitutional Court for consideration, in my view, is unnecessary and amounts to a deliberate attempt to stay this particular trial. In light of the foregoing, therefore, I decline to halt the criminal proceedings against the accused in this court. I dismiss the application, and I would like to advise that counsel for the accused may, if they so wish, seek an application for an injunction from the Constitutional Court to halt these proceedings, because I believe that the Constitutional Court, being vested with the jurisdiction to hear the substance of the matter, is better placed to determine whether a grant of stay is justicious or not. That's the ruling of the court. So how do we take this going forward?
Your Honor, we still have two witnesses.
Yes.
Present. We can be ready to proceed. My colleague wasn't feeling well, but I believe we can be here in an hour's time so that we proceed with the business here. I am also informed my other colleague had another matter. We believe 1 hour can be sufficient for us to do.
Which other colleague?
My Lord, I'm informed my other colleague had another matter. So we would fully rely on the guidance of courts.
By your other colleague, are you referring to Bisamunyu or? You see, the representation is fluid, I see. I don't know who's joining who at what time. So which colleague are you referring to?
My Lord, I can leave it at the request for 1 hour to put our house in order.
All right. Counsel for the defense, I don't know who is lead, or you will be addressing court how you wish, considering the numbers keep increasing. Yes?
We will be addressing you, my Lord. Watching Evans for the record, my Lord.
Yes?
We have had the prayer by the state. We are seeking your indulgence to grant us a short adjournment, my Lord. We propose a week. Let's continue just a week. To enable us to organize and focus on the trial. We believe that will be sufficient for us to prepare, internalize the statements that were disclosed. We had not taken that by interpretation, but we obliged with the decision of court. So we just need a small time to reorganize and we will be ready to proceed. Yes. That is my
We also are grateful for the guidance given to this court following this decision. And it's true, the Constitutional Court is in a better position to determine at this time, after your decision, whether this trial should be halted or not. And the time you have given us will be for us, if you please. One, apart from reorganizing ourselves, we will also be in position to yes, reflect on your ruling, and if need be, make the necessary application to the Constitutional Court. But at the time you give us, or the time of the adjournment, we'll be ready either with the proceedings before you, or if there will be an order of stay with the order. So we seek indulgence. And we believe that at the manner in which this matter is a matter which is not bulky. It's a matter which we can handle with Jonathan in a short period of time. So I appreciate if you grant us that short hearing.
Counsel for the state, do you have any reply to the
My Lord, I
application?
prefer to be guided by court. How we should.
You must have an opinion, surely.
But my Lord, that's the request. My Lord, our position is as before. So, our position is as before.
They said they want 1 week. You don't have anything to say?
We came ready, my Lord. Still, 1 week is not bad enough for us. Especially if that week is to prepare for the trial as opposed to the anticipatory extension of time. For the purposes that my land brother comes. Praise God.
So in essence, you don't have an objection to the 1 week?
No problem.
All right, I omitted on the date that we were last in court to indicate expressly which way we were going. I said we were coming today to receive the ruling. And I do understand that that could have created the ambiguity of, shall we proceed? What's going to happen? Are we ready or are we not? So for that reason, and also because counsel for the state has no objection, and I think 1 week you're asking for is reasonable. But as again I said, if there is no order stalling these proceedings, we are going to proceed with the trial. So what you do in between is up to you. But if there is no order, by 1 week, we will proceed with the trial. June. Tuesday, 6th June is available. Monday next week, isn't that?
Monday is not. Monday is okay. Thursday and Friday are okay. So Monday, Thursday, Friday.
They're okay.
Okay with us. Monday, Thursday, Friday. Monday is not okay with me, but on Tuesday until the end of the week.
But Council, you said a week, and a week is exactly next week, Monday. And if you're not available, you have a panel of 3, 4 other lawyers.
I have some notorious practice always practicing with this with Evan, and I'm lead counsel in this matter. So maybe Monday is not available for me. If Tuesday was available, Tuesday would have been okay for us. But
And I want as much as possible to take benefit of the dates that are available.
nowadays, even in our law firms, we actually have backlogs like courts. You find someone from constitutional court.
So what date did you say you're available?
Thursday.
You know Friday is Heroes Day, isn't it?
Yeah, probably from Thursday.
So we can't fix it for...
Thursday night.
All right, so the case is adjourned for hearing on 8th of June, 2023. We shall start at 9 a.m. I'd like to... Oh, yes? Yeah, right. I know where you want to go with it. All right, the application is granted. 8th June 2023, we shall start at 9 a.m. I'm therefore extending bail for the accused person. Till then, you will get a copy.
Vayo.
No.
Ngenda kugenda.
Nakupika mwingi.
Ewana ntiri kuta poli katonda. Eriyo baba. Simanyi na sina na bwenda byawedde.